All right, now it's a pretty dynamic day across the financial spectrum, and the Dow is down 450 points. Now, it was down 700 points earlier, and that's on the back of Meta's earnings last night, Caterpillar's earnings this morning, and the Personal Consumption Expenditure Index. And right at the opening bell, we were down 500 points. And if you're an investor right now, you're hoping that Microsoft and Google, their earnings this afternoon, can revive this market. And if they don't meet their numbers, we may be down another 500 points tomorrow. Now, the precious metals are up today, and copper hit a 52-week high. Now, gold and silver are slightly up after having a few red days. And as I've said before, copper is used in the production of many things. And the higher this price goes, the more you're going to be paying for products. Now, the 10-year Treasury is up today, and we're at the highest level we've been since October. And for those of you who don't know, the 30-year mortgage rate correlates with the 10-year Treasury. So when the 10-year Treasury moves up, it pulls up mortgage rates. And we're at a bad spot right now because there's no way the Fed is going to be able to cut rates. And every gauge, every measurement that the Fed is looking at inflation is rising. And America's going to be in big trouble. We're going to be talking about 2025 before the Fed can cut rates, because these are all the signs that the Fed needs to hike rates, not cut rates. Now, they're not going to hike rates before the election. But if these numbers keep coming in like they are after the election, you're going to see the Fed begin hiking rates again. Now, Caterpillar had their earnings this morning, and they missed on first quarter revenue. And they also issued sales warnings. And that stock is down more than 6% today, down $23 a share. Now, we also had Southwest come out with their earnings this morning, and they're cutting their revenue view. And that stock is tanking. That stock is down more than 8% today. And we have some of the biggest names reporting their earnings after the bell: Microsoft, Intel, Google, Snap, Roku, T-Mobile, Gilead. And we're going to need these numbers to come in line or better in order to save this market tomorrow. If not, we're going to be down another 500 points. This quick stock market commentary, please like and subscribe.